getting that motherfucker.
Okay, what
when
happened?
he walks out that house, I'm getting.
Don't run, come on.
Yeah, I know you're
that, right? Come on. You ain't running, motherfucker. Go back to your yard. Yeah, no, that shit. Come on, me and you. No more police. Come on. Run your fucking mouth. Let's go.
On the 26th of April, 2025 in Illinois, officers responded to a neighbor dispute where a man threatened a resident and refused to let him leave his own home.
Don't leave. Now, this shit. Don't run, come on.
Yeah, I know you're
that, right? Come on. You ain't running, motherfucker. I ain't here. My wife did those. Grandkids did those. Come on. Come on. Come on. You ass motherfucker. Come on. They ain't got nothing to do with it. Come on. Yeah. What? They ain't gonna do shit. It's me and you one-on-one. Come on! Go back to your yard. Yeah, no, that shit. Come on! Come on! What? You ran it, let's get it, me and you. No more police. Come on!
You want to do the same
call
thing?
me a...
You tell me you
Come on!
You
Come on! Hey, yes, motherfucker! You wanted to fight, let's get it! Yes!
When did I say I wanted to
Come
fight?
on!
When did I say I wanted to
They
fight?
ain't got shit to do with it! Me and you!
You got crack heroin, dope, what you got over there?
Hands up.
I got fucking shots in here.
Give him.
Come on!
You either call
Don't
the boys.
get done.
I like this.
Oh, hey. What's his name?
Hey, you gotta go somewhere sometime.
And this lady's just property on his face. Come on! Call me a mother. I'll tell you. Your cameras. This shit. Run your fucking mouth. Let's go. You pussy mother. Let's go. You pussy mother. I'm gonna fucking take some you no man has ever took it. Pussy mother. Oh,
Hey, you're gonna get disorderly conduct for no
Who
reason.
cares?
How are you gonna get to beat him up?
who changed?
I'm not gonna beat him up. You wanna beat him up or not?
No, I won't. Alright, we got an issue. Let's go! Bring your ass outside or call 911. I don't give a... You ain't leaving this property unless I get you. And I will stay out here all night.
Hey,
Calm down.
he's good. He's
down.
good. Hey, you're good, dude. It's me.
No, I'm gonna get that.
Okay.
She ain't leaving
Hey,
that house.
okay, I have no idea. Hey, he's
Leaving that house.
okay. That's fine.
I'm gonna get his ass.
Okay, hey, just
No,
come.
you can arrest me all you want.
I'm not gonna. You know. Yes. Hey, come over here.
Shut up. We're cool.
Okay, come talk to me, man.
He needs you to
Oh,
come.
we're cool.
You're good,
All
dude.
my knives are
You're
off.
good. You're
I want
good.
that bitch in that
Okay,
house.
relax.
No, I'm getting it.
I have no idea
Y'all
what's
ain't
going
doing
on.
shit.
Okay.
I'm getting that motherfucker.
Okay, what
When
happened?
he walks out that house,
What
I'm getting
happened?
him.
Okay.
Call me a child.
He did?
I'm gonna
Who is it?
Y'all know. Some fucking punk.
Okay.
I'm gonna kill him.
I got you.
No,
Hey,
wait.
hey.
I don't give a bro.
Okay, dude, just
As
relax.
soon as he comes out of that house and hits the street,
Okay.
I'm rocking.
Let me
Look.
get.
Dude.
I'm trying to get like
We
the
showed
whole
up here
picture.
earlier.
I got dispatched to something, and you know what I mean.
Hey.
It's something, and
We showed up here earlier.
He's
Okay.
dead.
Pulling thing.
That
Dude
shit-
f***ing runs his mouth out the back.
fucking dead.
Next thing I know,
Do
Drew's
you reckon?
fucking
that shit.
Hey,
That
Drew,
dude knows.
He knows who he is.
Drew, do you? He does. Do you guys know his name?
Some
tweaker.
Name. I don't give a name.
Let's go.
No, you're gonna get angered, you don't be a the police here. Come on. No.
I need a couple more minutes down here.
I
Come on.
don't care. I care. I don't care. I want that motherfucker in that house.
Okay, Drew.
I'm gonna get him, bro.
Let me
He leaves this property.
let me handle it, Drew.
Get in that cunt. I'm gonna son of a
Bubba. Hey, can I step in and talk to you for a second? Just. Can we step in and talk?
No, you're not.
Okay.
They were up in there, they broke my gate. Dude, I'm trying to go to f***ing work.
Okay.
I couldn't even get out my back gate.
What's that?
I couldn't even get out my f***ing back gate. I was supposed to be at work.
I got you. Okay.
Dude, I want...
I got you.
It's down there on the ground.
Go over there, okay? And then I will talk to you guys in a second. I'm 10-4 here. You can slow down.
Dude, I need to go to f***ing work. I was supposed to be at work already. Them f***ing guys at my f***ing wall on my back
So
gate.
with them threatening my life, to come at me, I have to go
My
right
f***ing
there.
gate.
I mean,
They broke my f***ing gate. I
one
can't get out my
thing
back
at a
I
time.
need to
What's your
go to
date of
work.
birth? Were you here when you broke it?
Yeah, I was. They were all at my f***ing back gate.
Who was it? Who was it that kicked
Drew.
your gate? Drew. Okay.
Yeah, it is right there, dude. I was at work. I couldn't get my back gate, guys. I've never seen my fucking life right at my back gate. I get the fuck off my property, like. Dude.
Okay. So how? What all started this whole thing?
He rode my bike to see if the tires would hold air down my driveway.
And he was just started.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So what? You were just driving up and down the road.
Dude, she needed her bike fixed. I fixed her bike. I'm riding up and down the road. I come back in through here.
I don't drive because I have anxiety.
Okay.
Like I can't going up because of my anxiety so bad right now.
I said I'm fine. I'm fine back here. Drew's being an issue. Yeah, Drew Hirschman. Okay.
Yeah.
So
I don't have a bike because I have anxiety, and yet
he's over here and talking shit, saying I'm a dope head and all that
everybody's
shit.
a dope head because I'm a Victoria's Secret book bag, dude. Like, yeah. I mean, my kids don't.
you live here?
No.
Okay.
Is this more from this morning?
No, it's that guy. That guy's.
No, we pulled up
Is
earlier.
this more
Dude
from
ran
this?
his mouth when I was
I took my knives off shit. Bitch called me a child. Don't give a it's you. Yeah, I'm an asshole. This
Hey,
is
you
my
should
I'll
taser.
that bitch. I want him out of the yard. And if he leaves the yard, I promise you he's coming back. Because I'm going to get him.
So what happened today?
Yeah.
earlier and
I don't
motherfucker
even
ran us
know,
out over
motherfucker.
the goddamn fence.
I called the
Right
first
off
time.
the get-go when we got here.
I called the first
Called it a
time
day.
911 because dude was beating up the fat bitch. And then this dude shows up, starts
you wanna
running his
laugh.
fucking mouth. I don't even know the motherfucker. I'm like, dude, I'll beat the shit out of you. Bitch calls me a child. I don't give a f who you are. Shut the f up.
And the cops turned
Walk
around
away.
and they let me
Trust
say
me.
something not-
Go. This ain't something you want to get involved in.
I'm down. Aviator.
The motherfucker's never going to call me that. When he walks out that back gate or he walks out this front gate, I promise you, I'm going to jail for assault. I'm going to f him up.
My life is being threatened. I can't press charges on that.
No, we're getting there. So that's why I'm
pressing.
yeah, no one said you're not. So
I can't.
I'm trying to get all the evidence I can.
Oh, shit.
Right.
Yeah, no.
Sorry, hold on. I had my
No, I got
I had
you.
my headphones on.
I'm done, man.
Why
I'm
didn't
done
you guys
fucking
just
with
carpool?
that motherfucker.
You drove 3 separate cars? You could have carpooled.
Done.
They don't even like Drew. And they're still f***ing standing up for him.
They don't like me. They brought me mushrooms and was like, hey, look, we got some
Aviator's
miles.
over here is ready to tase him.
Fucking done. Every day I got to deal with it. My wife don't sleep in my bedroom because I got a chop shop in the garage. Y'all don't do shit. It's a fucking meth house. The fat sells meth. Literally, look at the goddamn outboards of the building.
They
She
can't
done
even
covered
put
in
chairs out
foam
front because they're
so
afraid
it doesn't
of fire.
smoke. They cook dope in the basement. Come on, I'm fucking done. I'm fighting every one of these motherfuckers that walk in the yard and y'all
Hey,
like they arrest
Aviator's
me and
gonna
we'll go
tase you.
back to jail. I don't give a shit.
I know, but it's...
I don't care. I'm done with this fucking house. I promise you, I'll fight every motherfucker that walks in here. I'm done. I'm stupid.
Well, you know what?
That was the last straw. I'm not a motherfucking child. I got 2 fucking granddaughters. I got
Everyone
4
knows
fucking kids. I ain't no motherfucking child.
I'm still thinking y'all should have carpooled.
They drove 3 cars
Get that
here.
out of the house and let him fight me in mutual combat. We'll call it even.
4 cars.
If he comes out of the house, I'm fighting him. That shit, I'm fighting him. Front yard, backyard. Y'all take me to jail.
Would you smile?
It's not that done.
We know he's going to jail, but I'm...
Leave your belt on, you go lose your hand.
No, That dude walks out of that house, I'm assaulting him.
He's not gonna walk into the house. He's a coward.
Coward ass.
I got him to
I
smile
got
finally.
$1,000 in my account.
He's
Unless
not
you
gonna
got a
taser
bigger
me.
fucking charge.
You might need.
When that dude comes out,
All
of
you're
the house,
gonna do is
I'm
get
beating
me
his
off.
ass. I promise you, I'm beating his ass.
You had to go there.
Nobody calls me that. Nobody. Or they will get f***ed up.
Hey,
when that dude
y'all
walks
really
out
do
of this
need to
f***ing
go to
house,
the house.
I will beat the shit out of you. I'm telling you. You want to take me to jail? Take me to f***ing jail.
Order that one.
I don't give a f***. You got my phone?
It's in my car.
Yeah, good. Call me and tell him I need a bond.
You want me
I don't give a f***. What y'all want to do? He's coming out of that house eventually.
Come out of the house. He's gonna stand there and make a ramen. They're just pissed off.
I'll
They got
put one
bored.
of all these f***ing dudes around the house, and as soon as he comes out, I will f***ing chase him down, beat the f*** out of him. I want that f***ing bitch's face.
You're lucky you
And if
can't
you
run
don't
very
blame me, I
far.
don't give a shit. I want that bitch's face.
If you had to guess how much the damage is to your fence, what would you say?
I don't even.
I just have to explore a report. Okay.
One of them boards might be like what?
It's just something I put in a report.
It's just, this is insane. I can't get out of my fucking back.
$30 maybe. All right, I'll put that.
The shot color from
I mean, if you
skinheads
fucking
15
took them up
years.
like them, I mean, that'd be
You think
great.
that bitch is gonna fucking walk away? He's not. I'm gonna fucking take his fucking life. I'm gonna beat the shit out of him too. Christ. So do what you gotta do.
They're not going to do anything. They're going to leave you alone unless you bother them. They don't care. Once dude gets out, you're doing their work for them. Leave them alone.
All right, go home.
You guys can go home. Bye.
I'm not done.
Let him beat
I
him up later,
promise
call it
you,
a
I'm
day.
not done.
Hey, if you
I
stop
want his
killing,
face.
they'll leave and you can beat them up.
Sweet.
Yeah, he
I
shouldn't
just-
have. He don't even live there. He shouldn't come up the driveway right
I thought I had a
now.
warrant. You usually do. No, I don't. You don't know me well, bud.
I just arrested you.
You didn't arrest me.
Yeah, I did.
When?
Yeah, I called you on the phone. I was like, "Guy, you said you were out of town."
Yeah, I was f***ing busy.
Yeah.
I called you
just
when I
had the
got
court date
back.
for it. That was like 2 months ago. You
Did
just
I
had
run?
a court date for it, huh?
Was I an asshole?
Yeah,
Did I-
you never showed up. Yeah.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
Bullshit, I didn't.
You
You
did.
better check your records.
Okay.
Easy.
No. You better
It's
check your
all right
records.
if I go to jail. It's not all right if you go to jail.
I'll be out quicker than you. Guarantee it.
Just stop.
But no.
All right.
Not only did I call you back, I also came back 100 miles away, took my charge, and I'm still battling it.
I want that fucking space.
You never see me fucking run from a charge in my life.
He's going to be charged, obviously, the Illinois version. You know what I mean? With the no cash bail. You know what I mean? So I can't. Right. Exactly. So, but if he does come back and causes more problems or sets foot, I'll trespass him from the property, so he can't set foot on the
So I
property.
can threaten to kill him and I won't get any trouble.
It's Illinois, dude. Like,
No,
that's,
like, that sounded sorry. That says that sounded really
just don't.
sarcastic. Like, how does that work? Like, you threaten me, and there's no charges.
No,
You
he
know what
is
I
being
mean?
charged. Right.
Right.
He is being charged. It's just
Right.
they don't. Unless it's sad, but unless like it's not a detainable offense is what I'm getting at. Like I can take him to jail. He'll be there for 15 minutes while he gets booked in, then he immediately gets released.
Oh, you ain't gonna lie to me. I know how the booking process goes.
Yeah, well, just, you know what I mean, though. It's the no cash bail, the safety act, dude. We can't. Whereas this would have been easy. 2 years ago, I would have arrested him, taken him to jail. We would have been done with it, right? So, but he's gonna get a slew of different charges, and we'll go from there. Okay.
All right. So y'all gonna watch us kill off the property? Or?
Yeah, if you guys
I'm
want
gonna
to.
get something to drink. Let me put the dogs in there.
Yeah.
Come on, Satan.
Nobody f***ing gets it. You guys don't want to do shit?
I don't care.
Hi,
Yeah, I
I'm
showed
Andy
up on my
Hirsch.
court dates.
I'm a convicted sex offender. Nobody calls me a fucking because I'm also a goddamn high classified skinhead. And I did all my time under my fucking flags as an SO. Because I didn't do the shit.
Leave him alone. That guy's looking for
That dude's head's. I'm taking his.
No.
Yeah, I mean, I think he's gonna be arrested, and if he causes any problems, he's going to jail, and he will be detained.
I'm telling you, man,
What's he doing? Because Drew detained or anything?
Yeah, he's gonna be issued us several NTAs, but he's not free to leave, and these people are leaving out the back. So,
hey, Drew, you gotta stay over here, man. You're not free to leave. You gotta stay with us.
Are you detaining me?
Yeah, you're not free to leave.
All right, you're detaining me?
Yeah.
All right, you go.
Just sit over here on the curb. Just sit over here on the curb.
No, you're detaining me, right?
Yeah, so don't move from here because I don't want to have to
Cuff me
put my hands on you.
Cuff me up. You're detaining me, right?
I don't think we need to, yeah, but you're not free to leave.
You're cuffing me up? Yeah, because you know what I'm going to do. Yeah, ask him.
What do you say?
I say you don't want to do my bullshit. You're good, I ain't going nowhere. I don't know what I'm getting charged with.
We'll tell you here in a bit.
It's all good.
hey, you guys just step inside for a minute.
So Drew went around the other side.
He's under arrest. So.
Why?
Because I'm not doing this bullshit.
Okay, do something with these f***ing junkies.
Okay,
Man, I'm f***ing tired. Don't f***ing do that to me.
shut the fuck up and get over there.
You. Hey. That's f***ing wrong.
Hey, he's got to calm down.
Hey, listen, I gave Drew every opportunity.
I don't care about Drew, but you can't be disrespecting my mother.
Okay, and then she can't be disrespecting me. Listen, I was so patient with Drew. I did everything I could.
But
we are.
you not see all these neighbors pissed at the meth house?
Hey, listen. What
Why
do
don't you
want me
guys
to
do some black ops shit and burn it down?
Okay,
Do something.
just stop. I'm sorry that I said that. Okay, but listen, I'm trying to.
I gotta go pay the
Do you
bond on this.
understand?
All
How many
night
times?
long.
How many times have I personally been out here and been nothing but patient?
You
Literally,
have.
the other
When
day
they
with
did
music.
the- When they did the rub,
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
that is.
I took it down 5 last year.
Listen.
How many did you take
It
down?
is being worked on.
Oh, it's
Okay.
being worked on.
Okay. Just don't step on the property. We're done. Get him going. It's going to be DC criminal damage.
Who's that?
The fucking neighbors, they're pissed.
Oh.
This is a fucking active
I'm
cook
trying to
lab.
figure out what she's yelling about.
It's a fucking active lab.
She's mad because they didn't tell him he couldn't leave until he was over there. And then they arrested him because he left. That's what she's screaming about.
Y'all better learn how to fucking goddamn figure out a fucking back-end fucking way to how deal with shit.
Yeah.
If I can take down 5 meth labs on my own in a fucking year, y'all can do 1. No, they don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, you fucking don't. Just cover your fucking cam one day and fucking do things.
They can't do that.
I have no problem doing it.
Hey,
just cussed me out and told me they're taking you because he's tired of this shit.
You're gonna back
hey, back up, back
I
up.
will. I will.
We gotta do our thing, okay?
Hey,
I will. I promise I won't do
call my.
I'll
Come
have
get me.
I'll have Eric home.
Yep. Go. I'll be out in an hour. There's no bond. Don't matter.
Under Illinois Disorderly Conduct Law, 720 ILCS 5, Section 26-1, an act done so unreasonably as to alarm another and breach the peace is a Class C misdemeanor with no physical contact required. Profanity aimed at police is protected speech, yet a specific repeated threat of violence is not as held in Watts v. United States 1969. Those repeated threats also implicate assault under 720 ILCS 5, Section 12-1, conduct that places another in reasonable apprehension of a battery. The damage gate adds a second offense under 720 ILCS 5, Section 21-1, criminal damage to property, a Class A misdemeanor where the loss is $500 or less. Because both offenses happened openly in front of the officers, they supply independent probable cause to act. Saying the subject is not free to leave marks an investigative detention, a seizure governed by Terry v. Ohio, 1968, on reasonable suspicion. Any force would be judged under Graham v. Connor, 1989, from a reasonable officer on scene. Here, no force was used, which is the key point. Effective. The 18th of September, 2023, the Pretrial Fairness Act, part of the Safety Act, abolished cash bail across Illinois. Detention is reserved for listed detainable offenses, so Class A, B, and C misdemeanors mean charges with release often by a notice to appear rather than jail. This is not entrapment because the arrest rests on conduct the subject committed on his own and in plain view. The lesson is simple. Do not engage an aggressor. Call police, stay inside, and let officers manage the scene to avoid a mutual fight and shared charges.